Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I went to what's called a swap shop. It's connected to it's a dump yard where you throw your trash and stuff, but they also have other things where you can trade off stuff that you don't want with other people. And this is one of the things that I got today. For all you cross-stitch people, I know some of you older ladies or gents recognize some of the stuff I'm going to show you. I know this is old. I don't know how old, but I know it's old. This says 1979. Oh my god. Look at you guys. I wonder if any of this stuff can actually still be used. I have no clue about cross-stitching, so this is going to go to my older sister. Maybe she can work this out. This is just one. Okay. $3 for this. Oh shoot, there's DMC codes even back then. Check that out. How old is this? 1992. Check that out. Oh my gosh. Imagine doing bingo. Oh my gosh. Oh! There we go. There's another one. This one might be a bit long. When was this? 1994. If any of you guys recognize any of these, let me know. Here's an old ordering form. Which one's this one? Is that 1994 too? Yep, 1994. I mean, look at this. More samplers. Oh, we'll get to these in a bit. What year was this? See, like I said, my sister could probably figure this out. And this was 1979. How does that work? Okay, that's enough of that. We got a lot to cover in this. A lot. Personality Bears book? Oh, look at you. What year are you? Oh, check it out. Oh, I wish I had this without the angel for diamond painting. Let me look at that. These are actually kind of cute, but I'm not into stitching. I'm not into this at all. Fingertip towels. I think there's some towels in here. I mean, you want to talk about old. Check this out. Oh my gosh. Maybe she can finish this up. Oh, it still has the needle. Okay. I'm sure she would appreciate all this. She could probably finish this off. I knew they made them in different colors. I just didn't know what colors they really were. Okay, we can put that away. I'm sure some of you would recognize this. Lorraine. I don't know. Somebody tried to do a bingo. Here's one I know she'll like. Oh, this is huge. Yeah, I gotta put this away nicely. Well, whoever gave these up at least was kind enough to leave some needles with their craft. Yeah, places like the trading post there that I just came back from, you can get a lot of cool stuff there. Anything special on this? No, but you can do stitching on that, so. Same with this one. Okay, this one looks kind of old. They like Christmas. Oh, this is blank. If I actually liked doing this kind of stuff, I'd make my own logo. Is this by itself or does classic? Oh, this is blank as well. That's cool. That's really cute. My God. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, especially some of you older folks who like to do cross stitch. I got some really, really cool, really old magazines. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Namaste. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell.